Hi friends, I'm Nifty Nelly, and guess what? I'm finally making my deviled egg recipe for you, and I'm going to be putting them on my thrifted item that I absolutely love. So let's get started.
The first thing we want to do is get a deep medium saucepan and put enough water in it to cover about an inch over 9 eggs. When the water's boiling, lower the flame so when you put your eggs in, they won't bounce. Once you put your eggs in, you can raise the heat again. Keep your eggs refrigerated until you're ready to put them in the water. I like to use a kitchen spider to put the eggs into the pan very gingerly because I don't want them to crack. When the eggs are in the pan and I've raised the heat again, I start my timer. I like to cook mine for anywhere between 12 and 14 minutes. Once I put the eggs in, I get a large bowl and I fill it with enough ice to cover the water, and I have it ready to submerge my eggs as soon as they're ready, and I leave them in for 2 minutes. I peel the eggs by gently cracking the thick end and rolling it with light pressure on the counter. Then, under running water, I take the shell off. You want to keep the egg white fully intact as much as possible, so try to be gentle. The water helps a lot with this process. During the cooking time, I take advantage by getting all my tools ready. Have a medium-sized bowl handy. Place a large sieve inside the bowl, and then I measure half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and about a quarter of a teaspoon of white pepper, and some paprika for garnish. I was given this very fine strainer, which I think is actually for tea, but it works perfectly for this. And I'm just putting the paprika in it, and I'll be sprinkling it on top of the eggs. I put way too much in there, so I think even 1/8 of a teaspoon would have worked just fine. When I'm finished, I'll just put it back in the jar. Once the eggs are ready, I cut them lengthwise and I scoop out the yolks onto a sieve, and a teaspoon can really help coax them out.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. There is no cost to you for subscribing, but it does help out my channel.
Once the yolks are out, take the spatula and scrape them through the sieve to break them up as much as possible. If they're a bit jammy, don't worry, they'll be delicious regardless. When your yolks are ready, add the mayonnaise, mustard, and white pepper. I don't typically measure the white pepper. A little does go a long way, so I like to taste it as I go, and if I feel that it needs it, I'll add a dash or 2 more. This is so yummy, my husband can never wait to taste it. if I'm going to a party, I will put them in a piping bag fitted with a star tip, but otherwise I will just use 2 teaspoons to help me fill them. I like to use a clean plate just to work on because inevitably you will make a mess. And then I will transfer them to my beautiful butterfly dish that is specifically for deviled eggs. I'm so excited to have it. Because you're using the mayonnaise and mustard, it will create more volume. So you will have some left over. And I like to fill mine extra full because they are so delicious. And finally, for a bit more flavor, but mostly for aesthetics, I'll sprinkle some sweet paprika on top. I made a few extra eggs so that I would have some leftovers, and I will be putting them in another thrifted item that I have here that is a Tupperware, and you can hold on to them in your refrigerator for about 2 or 3 days, so you'll have some left over to munch on. I'm making sure to use up every last little bit because I don't know what the price of eggs is for you guys, but in my neck of the woods, it's astronomical. So I'm making sure to use every little bit.
So we're ready to taste, and I have been taking these to parties for years, and every time I go, they're gone like that, immediately. So I thrifted this, and I was so excited. It is Tupperware, and it's specifically for the deviled eggs. And I will be putting those away because you always end up with extra. I also thrifted this, which is a Lennox butterfly deviled egg plate. It's so beautiful. If you want to see where I thrifted it, take a look at this video. So, which one do I want to try?
I like that one.
Give the recipe a try and let me know what you think. You're gonna be a hit anytime you go to a party taking these. They are so good. Try them. If you like this video, click on this one next.